everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install a shop light in your garage, or really anywhere. I have a couple in my garage here, but one of them went out. It's down here on the ground. I took it all apart and I'm going to replace it. So I'm going to put the new light right up here. I'm going to show you how to mount it. This light came all the way assembled, and so what I'm going to need to do is when I mount it, I'm going to remove this little cover. There's 4 little screw holes right in the corners there. You take that off, and then you can figure out where you want to mount it. I already know that I have a stud up here in my ceiling, so you're gonna need to find a stud. So I've got a couple screw holes, but I know this line right here is where my studs are. So I'm just gonna use one of these existing holes to match up to where I used to have it. But this other one is not quite where my other stud hole is, so I do need to mount another screw in there. So I'll do that real quick. I forgot to mention that if you don't know how to find a stud, or if you just don't want to, you can use drywall screws that are like thick plastic things that look like for digging into dirt or something like that. And you just screw it in, and then you can put a regular screw into the inside of it, going through like the hole for where you would mount it, and it'll hold your light to the drywall. So those are a good option too if you don't have a stud or a stud finder or know how to do that. So just so you know. Both sides are now mounted, so now I just need to put these little access covers back on, just with a little Phillips head screwdriver. Get that in. We should be ready to plug this thing in and light it up. Oh, there it is, all lit up. Pretty easy job. You can do this yourself. Should only take you a couple minutes. Got it wired over here to my outlet, just above my garage door opener. And yeah, nice and bright in here. Anyway, you guys take it easy. Have a good one.